I'm Phil. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to A&S Motorcycles here in Sacramento, California, where today we finally take delivery of our new bike. Randy, thank you, sir, for getting us a little special bike for the channel. Now, this bike is going to be a shared custody bike. And I say that because it's actually me and Bogna's, both of our bikes. She absolutely loves the V2, but she fell in love with my 2015 BMW S1000 single R at the track. And well, I have a little bit of explaining to do on why I'm buying this bike after, well, the last one I sold after only 2 weeks. That's right, we've acquired an all-new 2022 BMW S1000RR, and well, BMW's made some major changes for 2022, which is one of the reasons why we are acquiring this. Plus, look at the color in this thing. I am absolutely in love with this. This is mineral gray is what they call this, right? Mineral gray. I just love the black and the gray. One of the very cool things for 2022 is they are offering the M Sport exhaust. So this is actually a full titanium exhaust. It's the first time BMW has done a full Euro exhaust system in titanium, correct? So very first year, so this will be actually coming off relatively quickly. But outside of that, we've got the Select package, which is basically giving us all of the things like heated hand grips, all of our modes, cruise control, the dynamic suspension. In addition, we added, for 2022, you have a couple different on wheel options. You have just the cast wheels, or the forged wheels is what we went with, or you can even upgrade up into the carbon wheels, but we decided to go ahead with the forged wheels. And this one actually does come, the 2022 now comes with the maintenance-free M chain. But outside of that, that's the only thing that is M, is the M chain and the M exhaust on this bike. Everything else, if you guys come over to the M style, obviously you guys will have the M style seat. You've got the battery. You've got a couple different M things on the new 2022. But what's nice about it is this is the first year that BMW has offered, outside of the M Sport, to have the pro mode riding modes are actually available. You'll see here that we're in pro mode in anything but a motorsport color. So pretty cool. That's one of the reasons, again, why we decided to take delivery of it and get this on the channel. So we've got a bunch of parts already in the garage ready for modifications, so stay tuned. We won't get our first ride for a couple weeks, so you guys are just gonna see this quick little release video taking delivery of this. Randy, again, thank you. Thank you so much, and stay tuned. We've got a track day. Now this is gonna come out tomorrow. So this was yesterday we filmed this. We're heading down to Buttonwillow on Monday for a track day. Unfortunately, this has got the rev limiter on it, so we're not gonna take this. But we've got a week to get that rev limiter taken off, because next weekend we've got another track day weekend up at Thunder Hill, and then end of the month we'll be down in Chuck Willow. So stay tuned. S1000 single R, guys, don't worry, it's still here. The single R isn't going anywhere. We're adding the double R to the collection. Plus we also have the XR, and I just can't wait to get this thing modified. So thank you guys again. Stay tuned, do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is gonna give you a notification of future content here on the channel. So thank you guys again, and we'll see you next video. Bye, guys.